Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be teaching you how to make chai masala tea. Today I'm going to be cooking in my beautiful new silk and salt dress, which I just got. I absolutely love it, and I'll put the link to it below in the description. Today I'm going to be making you the best chai tea masala you've ever had in your life. This is how actual Indians have it with actual Indian ingredients. Now, to get this started, first of all we're going to start with Loose Leaf Chai Tea by Wag Bakri. We're going to also have our tea masala, our pepper. We have a little bit of mint for the end to add some spice and flavor. We also have the ginger. Very important. Don't go easy on the ginger. Some more ingredients that we're going to be using are water. Also going to be using some milk. You can use vegan milk if so you choose. And don't forget, we're going to need our strainer and our fanciest cup for the tea. Welcome to the kitchen. We're about to get started and I can't wait to share this with you. We're going to be starting off with 1 cup of already boiled hot water, and we're going to pour this into the pot. My stove is already on, so I'm just going to stick this right here. So while the water is boiling, we're going to start putting in our spices. With the spices, we just need a little bit, which is torasa, and then we're going to chop up the ginger. Ek chamach. Ek chamach. After your chai tea latte has been boiling for about 5 or 7 minutes, you're going to take 1 cup of milk and you're going to add it into that. So again, if you're vegan, if you don't want to use regular milk, you do not have to. But for the sake of the videographer who is Indian and enjoys his chai with regular milk, we're going to be doing this with regular milk. Hi, Dave. And now we're going to wait till it boils again. Kore mukre pe kala chashma. Once you add the milk inside, it tends to overflow, so keep an eye out. Right after, we're going to pour the tea into our special chai cup using our strainer. It smells so good. And now we're going to start pouring in the chai. That is almost ready. Just 1 more step to go.
What's the last step?
Drink. This is really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is super good. Great success!